Hello friends, Namaskar. Welcome to my anatomy classes. My last class was the compact bone or microscopic structure of the bone or long bone. The remaining part of the microscopic structure of the bone or long bone I will discuss now. First, there are three types of the bone cells like osteoblast, osteocyte and osteoclast. These three cells are present in the compact bone of the epiphysis region. These three cells are present in the periosteum layer and the endosteum layers. And the periosteum, the osteoblast means the bone forming cell, osteocyte means bone developing cell, and osteoclast means bone destroying cell. When the osteoblast, the main function of the osteoblast responsible for making the new bone and repairing the old bone, and other function are produce the protein matrix like osteoids, which is mineralized, formation the calcium and the phosphate, like the formation of the immature bone. Formation of the immature bone. When the osteoblast will trap the osteoblast, after the osteoblast converted to the osteocyte, and these osteocytes are present in the lacuna, and these osteocytes, after the osteoblast converted to the osteocyte, and these osteocytes present the lacuna, and these osteocytes nourishment to the interstitial fluid of the canaliculi. Interstitial fluid of the canaliculi. Then the osteocyte making the mature bone cells, maintain the bone tissue, and osteocyte receive the nourishment from the lymph like interstitial fluid in the canaliculi. The bone fully ossification in between 18 to 21 years of age. After 18 to 21 years of the age, then osteoclast, like the bone destroying cell, the main function of the osteoclast maintain the optimum shape of the bone. After breakdown of the bone, releasing of the calcium and the phosphate. Next, the at site of old bone are injured. Suppose the old bone are injured, and the more calcium and phosphate are released. Like the unneeded bone, the more calcium and phosphate are released due to the extra large of the bone. So this is the osteoblast, osteocyte and the osteoclast. Then type of bone, there are 5 types of the bone: long bone, short bone, irregular bone, sesamoid bone and flat bone. The long bone is the femur, tibia, fibula, radius, ulna, like extremities of the bone. The responsible of the extremities like repairing, remodeling and growth of the bone. Then short bone, that is the carpal bone, tarsal bone and ear bone. The smallest bone, the longest bone is the femur, and the smallest bone in the stapes. The irregular bone like vertebral bone, mastoid bone, sphenoid bone and nasolacrimal bone. The vertebral bone are 26 bone like 7 cervical bone, 12 thoracic bone, 5 lumbar bone, and sacrum and coccyx bone. Then sesamoid bone like knee bone or patella bone. The flat bone, some skull bone like parietal bone or occipital bone, and also the sternum and the ribs. Okay, thank you.